yourself some clearance to work. So we're going to clean the bottom side of the car off where we plan on using the adhesive. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and clean the side skirt, get it ready for the adhesive. I'm just using some vinegar and a nice microfiber. You just don't want any dust, dirt, gunk, anything like that to get in the way of you laying that adhesive down on the car and on the side skirt. So we're gonna use the 3M VHB. I like this for the lightweight stuff. It's very tacky, very strong. And if your kid gets out of line, you can babysit him with it. So we're just going to lay it nice and smooth. Make sure you lay it inboard into the car away from this line, this contour line, because this is all visible outside. So you want to make sure that your adhesive's on that side of that mold, that line in the molding. So what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and lay the masking tape around this, so when we lay it underneath the car, it'll be a little bit easier to get out. Chris, let's go ahead and pick the back end of that up and see if we can't get it lined up. Okay, go ahead and take it back your way just a little bit. Okay, towards me. Okay. I'm gonna bring it down. Perfect, it's right on the inside of that lip where we want it. All right, looking back here, bud. Is it nice and straight, nice and square?
Yeah.
Nice and flush?
Looks good to me.
Okay, go ahead and just work the adhesive on it. All right. Hi, I'm John with Sin City Performance in Henderson, Nevada. Today we have this beautiful M4. We installed the XPH carbon fiber side skirts. They fit the M3 and M4 from 2015 and up. Install was straightforward, very simple, took us less than an hour. You really just need the good 3M tape we talked about, a drill, some good hardware, and an extra set of hands to keep it straight and lined up when you're laying the adhesive. Other than that, beautiful product. It came out, the fit and finish is awesome, and it should make for one happy customer.